Hey again, everybody. Monday morning, April 15th. Everybody's dreaded tax day in the U.S. Astro Excel for the week ahead from last night. Flatlining just below the zero line. Market flat overnight. Slow rise today until we cross the zero line tonight around 1800. Then we start to get a decent push up. It's going to go all the way into Wednesday at about the plus 16 area. So we're double tapping here around noon. And then all the way until 2000 when it starts to turn down. Turning down into Thursday morning at 11 a.m. up into Friday. A little bit of sideways for about 4 hours. 6 a.m. turning down till 10 a.m. and then up into late in the day. Blue line spikes here this week. We've got today near the close. This one's at 1500. Early Tuesday morning, 3 a.m. Tomorrow night, 2000. We've got one near the 10, 6 a.m. Wednesday. 1600 Wednesday. In the evening, Wednesday, 1900, then early morning Thursday, 1 a.m. Then about 1400 in the afternoon, then 2000 again. And then into Friday, we have this one key spike at 6 a.m. Points of confluence, at least looking for in the day session, would be Tuesday 800, both lines up, at least till about 1 p.m. 1300. Then again, that's overnight into the evening, the quiet part of the session. We're in conflict here. We've got a little bit of combined down pressure here on Thursday, where both lines are working their way down from midnight till about 11 a.m. And then in the evening again at 2000, both lines are sinking, going up. And then we've got confluence to the downside from 6 a.m. to 10 or 11 a.m. Call it 10 a.m. on Friday. So that's what we're looking at for the astro direction for the week ahead.